Hey, it's Johnny here in Hallandale Beach Boulevard near Ventura. We're between Miami-Dade County and Broward. We're going to be doing boats and babes and boats. Boats this whole week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments on the bottom. I repeat, like, subscribe, share, and comments on the bottom, because Johnny always gets it done and always gets it delivered. Johnny always gets it done and always gets it delivered. Alright, I'm gonna go into this water, all the boats, check out the boats, the beaches, and the babes. Beaches, babes, and boats. Triple B. The babes, the beaches, and the boats. Boats, beaches, and the babes. Boat, we'll take this boat, we'll take that boat, we'll take one over there. We'll take all these boats. Seagull and boats in Hallandale Beach. The Hallandale Beach is close to Hollywood Beach. Nice and quiet. Johnny always gets it done, and Johnny always gets it delivered.